Central banks and the labor market. July will start with the busy week. Central banks in Australia, the United Kingdom, Brazil and some other developing countries will have monetary policy meeting, while in the US, eyes will be on non-farm payrolls, which will be very important to guess the Fed next rate hike decision level. Besides them, we have many data from other economies that must be in the spotlight in line with earning reports. Let's review the most important data with me, Ahura, and IFC Market in the week ahead. Number 1. US ISM manufacturing numbers. ISM manufacturing report covers different sections including the labor market, new orders, and price paid. In June report, all sections experienced significant decline. This Monday, we will primarily be interested in employment numbers to see if it can climb back into expansion area or not. Also, new orders will tell us about our expectations for upcoming months. Expected data can help the US dollar downtrend to keep going a bit lower. Number 2. Reserve Bank of Australia. RBA is due to start the new round of rate hikes in August. We expect the RBA to deliver another 50 basis point rate hike to get to 1.85% at its August monetary policy meeting. A 6.1% year-over-year inflation in the second quarter is enough to convince the bank's officials to another increase. The Australian economy was steadily increasing, therefore it must be resilient enough to withstand consecutive 50 basis point rate hike. Expected data can help the Australian dollar against its crosses. Number 3. Bank of England. Inflation is at its 40-year high and is still expected to increase a little bit more, while there are signs that household incomes are being squeezed. For this meeting, despite the UK economy's weakness that's still expected to continue, another 25 basis point rate hike is supposed to be done. These policies must put more pressure on the UK stock markets and limit its latest slow increase. Number 4. US employment numbers. Fed insists that the US economy is not in recession, and its most vital argument is the labor market. This week's NFP numbers will be very important for the US Federal Reserve. For now, the overall expectation is to see a little bit weakness in the numbers, as lately we could see consumers are spending less than in earlier months. In the upcoming months, the labor market is supposed to see more weakness in hiring and pressure on the economy, which must have a negative reaction in the stock markets. And finally, number 5. Earning reports. So far, more than 75% of reported companies in the SP 500 list could beat the expectations. For this week, HSB Bank and Baidu will report on Monday. AMD, SP Global, Caterpillar, PayPal, Starbucks, Marriott Hotels, and Uber will have earnings call on Tuesday. Wednesday should watch the Booking.com and Moderna earnings, and finally Thursday, Eli Toyota, and Airbnb will be in the spotlight. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope this week is going to be an amazing week for all of you.